Okay, this is the quick review, adding radicals. All right, when you think about adding radicals, what you have to think about is adding like terms. That's the idea. Look, A of them plus or minus B of them equals A plus B or A minus B of them. It's just adding like terms, right? That's all it is. So again, if this was 2n plus 7n, what are you going to get? 9n, right? It's just like adding like terms. So to add radicals, though, please understand that they have to be the same radical, right? Cube root of x, it's all got to be cube roots or square roots, whatever. The radicands have to match, have to be the same radical. That's the idea, and that's how you add them. Pretty easy to do. So here our first example, and you can see we're ready to roll. All right, so look at this. Let me use my green here. 3 of them plus 4 of them is 7 of them. 7 of them minus 9 of them is a negative 2 of them. And what are they? Square roots of 5. Negative 2 times square root of 5. That's all it is. We're just adding up the coefficients, right? Just like terms. Okay, so be careful in something like this. So at first look, you would say, oh, we can't add these because it's a square root of 2, and the other is a square root of 18, and the third is a square root of 50. And the radicals have to match to be able to add them. Well, be careful, right? Always be looking to simplify. An 18 is a 2 times 9. And we all know the square root of 9 is 3, so we get out a 3 multiplier. What about the 50? All right, 2 times 25. And again, square root of 25 is 5, so we get out a 5 multiplier. So let me clean this up, show you where we're at. We're at 3 times the square root of 2 plus 15 times the square root of 2 minus 45 times the square root of 2. And now again, we're ready to add up the coefficients. 3 of them and 15 more of them is 18, a little ahead of myself. Okay, so you got 18 positives and 45 negatives, so what does that leave you? 27 negatives. And so negative 27 times the square root of 2. Hey, that's the idea. It's just like adding like terms. Don't let the plus or minus sign get you. And I didn't do any with a different index, but please understand you can only do cube roots with cube roots. So for example, if I had the cube root of 7, let's go minus 3 times the cube root of 7 plus the square root of 7. These I can add. There's 1 of them minus 3 of them is a negative 2 of them. But this one, I can't add to it. I just have to leave plus the square root of 7. All right, adding radicals.